Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be sharing with you guys my nail care routine. It's really simple. So to start off with, we will need some cotton balls and nail polish remover. The one that I'm using is from Lakme. This is to remove the old nail polish that we have right now. So quickly I'll take some of the nail polish remover onto the cotton ball and gently rub it over my nails. Make sure to be gentle and not be harsh on your nails. Once all the nails are clean, we will use a nail cutter and a file to get them into shape. I have really short nails, so I won't be cutting a lot, but removing the brittle edges can always help in growing out healthy nails. Now I'll start filing them. I have heard from someone somewhere that filing your nails in one direction can always help in keeping them healthy, so I have been practicing that since then. I don't know what is the reason behind it. Also, make sure that you keep your file clean. After filing your nails, you can see that there is some kind of residue on your file which you need to clean using a cotton ball. Now, using some cuticle oil which I DIY'd, I will be rubbing it onto my cuticles and nails in a circular motion. If you guys want to know how I made this oil, please let me know in the comments below so that I can make a video for that. Once I've applied oil onto all my nails, I will let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after marinating my nails in that oil, I will rub it off using a cotton ball. And then using a cuticle pusher, I will start pushing the cuticle inwards. Cutting your cuticles off is not very healthy. So when you push it in, you can see some kind of dead tissue that comes out, which you can remove using this. After this step, my nails naturally look a bit more longer. And now I will use a nourishing cream. Here I'm using the Himalayas Nourishing Skin Cream. I will take a good big lump of it and then start applying it onto my nails and my fingers. Also, while applying any kind of cream onto your fingers, massage them in small circular motions. That really helps in reducing wrinkles on your fingers. So that is it guys, that is my really simple nail care routine. Of course, to finish it off, I will be using a base coat. There are nail hardeners and nail strengtheners available in the market, but I'm totally fine with applying a base coat after my nail care routine because this helps as well. Some tips to take care of your nails is to give your nails some time to breathe. Don't keep on applying nail polishes after nail polishes and not let your nails breathe. That can eventually make your nails really thin and brittle and lifeless. Also, please do take care of your nails by applying some kind of oil or keeping a base coat on it and not exposing it to water all the time. It can dry off your nails and make them brittle. Now to finish off, you can always use your favorite nail color. Here I'm applying my favorite nail color, which is a nude shade, and I'll be applying 2 coats of it to make it stay longer. So that's it, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for watching once again, you guys. Love you all. Bye.